I think RCB is going to win the next match.
RCB इतना बुरा खेल गई थी कि इवन मैं अगर जो अपने मुजफ्फरनगर की गली क्रिकेट टीम को भी भेजता वो भी जीत के आ जाती।
I feel Kohli is kind of being kicked out right now. तो थोड़ा I think अभी it's going to be a little bit of turmoil.
चाहे कोहली कैप्टन छोड़ दे, चाहे रोहित मना कर दे, चाहे वो श्रेयस अय्यर को ना बनाए, केएल राहुल को ना बनाए, लेकिन जाडेजा को तो कैप्टन नहीं ही बनाएगा गांगुली।
Welcome to सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी, where it is all about cricket, conversations and fantasy. सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी is a show which is made by the fans, played by the fans and of course watched by you fans. तो अगर आप सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं तो all you need to do is type yes in the comments below and we will get back to you. Indian T20 लीग में 3 मैचेस खत्म हो चुके हैं और माहौल गर्मा चुका है, पर इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि चौकों और छक्कों की बरसात हो रही है, बल्कि इसलिए क्योंकि विराट कोहली ने एक ऐसा बॉम्ब डाला है जिसकी चर्चा पूरे क्रिकेट विश्व में हो रही है। इसके बारे में हम आगे भी चर्चा करेंगे जुमलेबाजी में, लेकिन अभी के लिए आइए बात करते हैं आने वाली 3 मैचेस के बारे में जो डिसाइड करेंगे हमारे आने वाले वीक के विनर को।
DC all the way. I think they'll click. I'm not too sure about this SRH side, Warner and that whole fiasco that happened, Kane Williamson.
I think Delhi, even without Shreyas Iyer, was looking very strong. Still okay, it's fine, I guess. You also have the big man up top, Shikhar Dhawan.
SRH, DC, the way these 3 matches panned out now, I think SRH has a point to prove. They might win against DC.
मुंबई बार बार मैचेस नहीं हारेगी और मेरे ख्याल से रोहित शर्मा अगर जो वापस आएगा तो वो अपना जादू लेके ही आएगा।
अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा वाला सीन है, मतलब एक मैच में चल गए तो चल गए। केकेआर की कंडीशन बहुत खराब है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट देयर लक।
Mumbai will bring them, as Anmol had said earlier, Mumbai will bring them firmly back to earth.
वो होता है ना कि अगर आप 15-20 मैच खेल रहे हो और एक मैच जीत जाओ तो वो चलता है, तो केकेआर का वही सीन है। आई डोंट नो हाउ दे बहुत हो गया।
मुंबई 2 मैच एक साथ पिछले 2 सीजन से नहीं हारी कभी, नेवर दे लॉस्ट 2 मैच एट अ गो। और दूसरी मैच जब वो जीतते हैं ना, वो सामने वाली टीम को इस तरह से हराते हैं कि पिछली मैच का सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी उसी टीम पे निकाल देते हैं।
कि ना शेर बुढ़ा हुआ है बट शिकार करना नहीं भूलेगा, एंड धोनी इज वन दैट शेर, इज वन ऑफ सच शेर।
Dhoni fires, Raina fires, like something about them. Raidu fires, so they do really well against RCB.
RCB इतना बुरा खेल गई थी कि इवन मैं अगर जो अपने मुजफ्फरनगर की गली क्रिकेट टीम को भी भेजता वो भी जीत के आ जाती।
But I don't know what's the magic sauce with CSK. You know, somehow or the other, someone or the other comes and just delivers the winning punch for them. You know, obviously you have Lord Shardul also.
Loser is always secretly afraid of winning. कि अगर जीत गया तो क्या हो जाएगा मेरे साथ। तो वो आरसीबी की है, मतलब
I think RCB is going to win the next match. Since last 5 days, the internet has broken down with all the excitement around Virat stepping down first the Indian captaincy, now RCB. I don't know what next. I mean, I hope these are the only announcements left. But yes, our team here also was so thrilled with the announcement, and I'm so glad that we've launched the podcast Sabse Bada Khiladi on Studio Scoop. Guys, you have to hear, and guys, it's available on Spotify, Google Play, so all the details are available on Studio Scoop official Instagram page. So follow us now and stay tuned for all the action.
तो ये बात थी आने वाली मैचेस के बारे में, पर अब ये भी देख लेते हैं कि how does this all stack up in the fantasy standings in the leaderboard after the 3 matches that have been played in this week. Anand, especially you have been leading the table once again. How does it look like 3 matches down the line? Will you be the weekly winner?
I hope I am, but I think it's looking very tight at the moment. And you know, the performances that we have seen, one player hitting here and there can change everything. Like one Varun Chakravarti, one Arshdeep Singh is 200 points, 250 points right there.
I'll put my bets on Shubman Gill for sure. I think he's in a very good form and I think he'll score bigger and better with every match. उसमें तो आप मुझे पूछो ही मत, मतलब आप पूछोगे एक ही आंसर निकलेगा, सर जडेजा। जो कमाल कर सकते हैं. And another player which will make a difference is Moeen Ali.
आने वाली 3 मैचेस में ऐसी कौन सी स्मार्ट पिक्स आप करने वाले हो फैंटेसी में जो आपको अच्छे पॉइंट्स दिलाएगी?
If given a choice, so Ambani.
ये तो मतलब राइट नाउ.
मैं पहले भगवान बोलने वाला था, फिर मैंने कहा नहीं, भगवान की भी नहीं चलती आईपीएल में, तो अंबानी की चलती है. अंबानी.
Wriddhiman Saha might open with corner and he will keep the wicket also. So we can get points while wicket keeping, and don't forget in last year in knockouts he played one of a hell of a inning.
Rashid Khan, I'm not going to overlook at all in these pitches. He's very handy with the bat, low order as well. So he's kind of a cricketer who can give you a straight 80 to 100 points every game. Mumbai, Kolkata, I expect Nitish Rana to come good. I don't think he had a chance.
Same for Varun Chakravarti also. Yesterday, a couple of us were missing him, but बहुत points देके चला गया वो, and he was the big difference maker in that game. So ये 200-250 वाले upswing देने वाले players हैं हर एक टीम में. In Delhi also, I think सारे obvious picks तो सबके होंगे ही. But one player that I'll be very keenly looking at is this guy Lalit Yadav.
You have to get lucky a little bit, yeah. Like, people having ABD captain, ABD duck out yesterday. Kohli also blank for me. So there's a lot of, anything can happen at this point.
Priyank, I would love to hear from you कि अभी तुमने सबकी बातें सुनी, सब क्या कह रहे हैं, किस तरह से खेलेंगे, strategies भी सुनी. I would like to hear from you कि whom do you think will make it to the top of the charts at the end of this week?
Overall, I see Anand doing pretty well at this point in terms of his points and the way he's been picking and being bullish on different players. So yes, I do see him doing well if he stays consistent over the things. But yes, I also have full faith in Uday, in picking other players.
Can I say head says Anand, heart says Udayban as your top pick?
And I would say Dil to Bachcha hai ji.
मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ ये जानने के लिए कि फर्स्ट वीक का विनर कौन होने वाला है. वो इसलिए that the winner of the first week is going to get a knockout surprise. वो क्या होने वाला है that will be revealing on Friday. आइए हम रुक करते हैं जुमलेबाजी की ओर. As we all know, विराट कोहली साहब एक के बाद एक बॉम्ब गिराते जा रहे हैं. पहले उन्होंने कहा कि मैं इंडियन T20 टीम का कैप्टनशिप छोड़ रहा हूं T20 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद. अब उन्होंने कहा है कि मैं बैंगलोर टीम की कैप्टनसी छोड़ दूंगा इस 2021 के इंडियन T20 लीग के बाद. What next? I mean, what is up with विराट कोहली? कोई मुझे समझाएगा? Let's talk about it.
I think it's just a small phase. I think a couple of matches he should be back. I'm betting on an 80+ score when he plays CSK on Friday.
Anand, do you agree with Naveen taking 10-day break in the middle of IPL?
No, definitely not. I'm actually I'm flabbergasted that Kohli decided to step down as RCB captain. I would have thought he would have wanted to prove himself at RCB to some level when the Indian captain is somebody else. Also, if you see Gautam Gambhir, you see Dhoni, you see everybody's been doing that after they've kind of left the Indian team or they've got dropped as captain. They've gone ahead and captained their IPL sides. But I don't make sense of this decision. I don't seem to understand why he's not captaining RCB. There's nobody to take it forward. Who are you going to give it to? Chahal? ABD is also not crossed an age. Devdutt Padikkal to captain. I mean, who's your successor?
Kyle Jamieson.
I mean, it's Washington Sundar. I mean, are you serious? I don't know what's going to happen to RCB.
He will definitely come back as a batsman. He will definitely come back. But as a captain, to come back in this IPL and to come back in T20 World Cup, I think it is a bit difficult for him because of the baggage he is carrying. The baggage of losing multinational tournament one after another for 9 years.
My theory is that both him and Ravi Shastri were told, "Beta, your time is done. You guys have up massively, but now you can't keep doing what you've been doing. 3-4 साल से तुम्हारा चल रहा था. It's over now." So I think they were asked to respectfully step down. RCB captaincy also. I feel like that is more backlash from Virat Kohli. If you take away the captaincy in one area, I don't need it in the RCB format also. I think he's under immense pressure right now. He did not need to announce the loss of captaincy during the IPL. He did not need to announce कि मैं T20 की captaincy नहीं रखूंगा right now. The timing of it makes me think that he is kind of being forced, being pressurized कि अब आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा or you will be asked to leave.
ये भी कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी है बहुत बड़ी। आई थिंक कोहली को लग रहा है कि मैंने इंडियन टीम की कैप्टनशिप छोड़ दी, मैं वर्ल्ड कप जिता दूंगा, आरसीबी कैप्टनशिप छोड़ के आरसीबी को इस बार जिता दूंगा, तो लोगों का परसेप्शन चेंज हो जाएगा। हैविंग सेड दैट, आई नेवर ट्रस्टेड कोहली एज अ कैप्टन। आई हेट हिम लाइक टू द कोर। आई बिलीव धोनी वाज द वंडरफुल कैप्टन एंड पोस्ट दैट इट शुड बी रोहित शर्मा। इट वुड हैव बीन रोहित शर्मा और रविंद्र जडेजा, नो वन एल्स।
रविंद्र जडेजा, ये ऐसा कौन सा
जाडेजा को
तुम सर जडेजा
को सौराष्ट्र में कैप्टनशिप नहीं दे रहा है कोई।
ईस्ट और वेस्ट, जाडेजा इज बेस्ट, राइट?
एब्सोल्युटली।
वो इतना बेस्ट है कि धोनी उसको 4 ओवर दे नहीं रहा है मैच में।
ये धोनी की गलती है, ना समझिए धोनी की।
अरे धोनी नहीं चाहता है कि 12 ओवर में मैच खत्म हो जाए, इसलिए नहीं दे रहे उसको। 20 ओवर तक। I feel Kohli is kind of being kicked out right now. तो थोड़ा I think अभी it's going to be a little bit of turmoil. And I think one last point, I think very very big red flag for India for the T20 World Cup because India कैंप का माहौल अभी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है।
मेरे को सिर्फ इतना कहना है कि अगर इंडिया सेमीफाइनल पहुंच जाती है तो विराट कोहली को 2 मैच का रेस्ट करवा दो और 2 मैच रोहित को कैप्टनशिप करवा लो, इंडिया जीत जाएगी।
अगर ऐसा करवा दिया
वो
100%
कोहली को खुद अनाउंस कर देना चाहिए कि मैं ये फाइनल नहीं खेल रहा हूँ।
तो ये था इंडियन T20 लीग का अभी तक का लेखा जोखा। When we meet next, we'll have the first weekly winner of सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी Season 2 Part 2. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course, talk about cricket. Because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.